Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Saifullah bin Sapli, BP2110850 from Section 2, and this is my individual assignment video for BP22603 Financial Accounting and Reporting 3. And today, I will discuss about why ethics and integrity are so important in preparing and reporting financial information. In this video, I will divide it by three contents, which is first introduction, second methodology, and the last one is conclusion. What is ethics? When we hear the word ethics, the first comes to mind is having to make the decision between the right and wrong. Many idealists say that ethics is a conditional term, and what constitution as right for one person that not be right for someone else. Ethics refers to principles such as honesty, morality, and integrity. In accounting, ethics isn't just a list of rules that needs to be followed, but it is inherent with the profession itself. And why it is so important? Scandals in the global financial crisis reinforce the need for an ethical code in accounting and the need for accountants to provide a fair portrayal of the entities they work for. Ethical codes help companies ensure that they meet the standards for accurate financial reporting. Here are the reasons why codes of ethics are so important. Point number one, it is inherent to the accounting profession. Accounting and ethics go hand in hand with the accounting profession. As accountant, it is important that we make neutral, unbiased decisions that help the client. If the company benefits from the sale of the financial product over another, it could lead to bias and misinterpretation of information for the client. As part of the ethics codes, it is important that the information provided is not subject to any external influence. For example, in India, companies have to comply with INDAS, which stands for Indian Accounting Standards. These policies provide companies with principles for recognition, measurement, and treatment of accounting transactions in the financial statement. Point number two, information needs to remain confidential. Disclosure of any financial information during, for example, a merger of an acquisition by an accounting professional will violate the trust code. It will also be considered unethical on the part of accountants. The ethics codes prevent a firm or organization from doing this unless there is a legal reason for doing so. Point number three, the integrity of the employees. The ethics codes ensure that all members of the company demonstrate integrity and honesty in their work with clients and other professional relationships. These ethics codes also prevent accountants from associating themselves with any information that could be misleading or damaging to their clients or organization. For example, the European Union has regulation to protect the privacy of the clients with the General Data Protection Regime. This is the set of privacy regulation that is applicable to all companies that stores and process the client personal information. This helps ensure that the integrity of the client's personal information is retained and there are no unsolicited leaks. The final point is financial planning. It is the duty of the accountant to provide information that help facilitate planning for the future of the businesses. The Code of Ethics help companies ensure that there is no misinterpretation of the numbers or information provided to the stakeholder in the company. The rules and regulations stated on the document by the governing body need to be followed by every accounting process in the organization to ensure that accurate and reliable information is presented to the users of the information. In conclusion, due to various financial scandals, there is a need to make an awareness of code of professional ethics through accounting education and practice in the society. It tries to make a balance between economic, social, and professional responsibilities, motivating an employee and management to adopt an ethical behavior which will assist to discourage fraud, and it also facilitates them to feel proud of our professional true contribution and accountancy.